Hey everybody, this is the fifth objection. It's lack of foundation. Lack of foundation has to deal with the introduction of evidence generally during witness testimony, a direct or cross-examination. Generally speaking, though, it's an indirect examination. One of the things that we will see is that when you're introducing an exhibit, you're laying a foundation for the court to determine that it's credible for that exhibit to come in, but also that the person you're talking to, that is your witness, has a foundational knowledge of what it is so they can testify about it. If you do not lay down a foundation about, like, what is this document? How do you know about it? Is this an accurate representation of the document since you last saw it? Then there's a credibility issue to the document and to the witness that can be raised, and that's kind of what a lack of foundation objection raises. In a lack of foundation objection, what you want to do to avoid that is that you want to ask questions of your witness about, hey, do you recognize this document? When was the last time, do you remember the last time you saw it? Is it a fair and accurate representation of what you remember when you last saw it? Have any changes been made to it? Those kinds of questions lay it down. So we'll get to that in our practices, and you'll practice that more. So that's sort of the way to avoid that. And that's kind of just a really quick overview of a lack of foundation. Again, you learn that in practice, so don't be afraid if you don't kind of understand that right now. If it was a quick explanation, we'll sort of get at it as we practice.